Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. What's up? How's everything? Today's blog is me testing out a new setup for the driving situation when I do my driving blogs. So I'm trying out the dual camera so you guys can see where I'm going from the front, and you can probably see it on the back side here as well. So let's see how this works. I don't know if I'm gonna be happy with it or not. So this is just a test. So what I'm gonna do is oh, it's kind of late, man. 7:31, and it just flipped over. 7:32. So I'm gonna try to get to Epcot, Disney World, and let's see how the drive records. A lot of people here, gotta be careful. This place used to be empty. I just realized, I keep saying that we've been here 7 years. Last month we had our anniversary of moving here to Central Florida. So now it's 8 years. None of these buildings were here that we're gonna pass by now, and they're building more. None of them were here. That parking lot where we were just at was always empty. There was always like 10 cars, 6 cars. I used to be like, wow, there's like nobody here. This is awesome. I loved it after coming. You know, we lived in Miami our whole life. It was so populated, man. Miami is pretty packed. So it's such a difference. Such a big difference. Wow, they're building right there too. Oh my God. There's gonna be so many people going to that mall right there where we were, little strip mall. That's one of the Publixes that I go to a lot. Supermarket, grocery store right there. Oh, what's that on the road there? What is that? Oh, okay. Looks like it's some kind of thing covering up the sewage right there. The drains. The drains, yeah. I had like 3 of those set up there. All right, so yeah, it's 8 years now, guys. 8 years. I'm sorry if I can't look at the camera the whole time. You know, I gotta keep my eyes on the road. When you come here and you visit, a lot of people that I see with out-of-town plates do not turn on right. Here in Florida, you're allowed to turn on right, and if you don't, people will beep at you. You gotta make a right turn at the red light. You're allowed to turn right, even if you have a red. So you're always allowed to turn right. No problem. So it's about 80 degrees right now. The humidity was high-ish, 79. It always feels better at 50, 55, I think it is. The best. It said 79 earlier, and it was gonna keep increasing. So the night might get a little stickier, I don't know, but the temperature was going down, so you never know. The combination can be crazy. So I hope this works out, man, having both cameras. This might be a fun way to record some of the drives. You guys gotta let me know. By the way, I just recorded that video 2 days ago? On Sunday. Today's Monday. Let me see, I recorded it. Yeah, Sunday, March 8th. Today is Monday. Man, I'm I'm so confused. So I made a few mistakes, I realized it, but I didn't edit it. I didn't take anything out, I just uploaded it like that. I figured you guys will notice the mistakes. There's a few things that you guys won't know, But the bridge itself, the platform that crosses the 6 lanes, that bridge is 200 feet long, that part. The whole bridge from one end to the other is 1,125 feet. The 900 number I was mentioning is 900 up in the air, 900 feet up in the air. I was saying it was 900 feet across. No, it says 200 when I was checking, because I was like, man, I think I got that wrong. So I did get that wrong. The other thing I said at one point, but then I corrected myself later on, but just in case, 83,000 people cross that bridge every year, not every day. The number of crossings every day is 200. 200 people cross the bridge every day, 83,000 people a year. So just in case, oh, they got the right lane closed here. What was the other thing I wanted to tell you guys? I can't remember right now, but in the meantime, I gotta thank all you guys that keep leaving me comments. I appreciate it. I saw Brian has been commenting a lot lately on the regular videos, so thank you, Brian. I know he's always in the lives. Oh, it's Brian's birthday today. Happy birthday, Brian. I'm recording this on your birthday, Monday the 9th. Tim Rose, thank you, man. Tim, thank you for commenting today. Tim always watches. He's an OG, of course. You guys remember Tim Rose. But lately, he doesn't comment that much anymore. He watches. He told me he watches, but doesn't always comment. But I appreciate you, man. You commented today, so I appreciate that, man. I wish I would get more comments. YouTube keeps changing. A lot of people that watch me on TV. The analytics tell me sometimes it changes from time to time. Look, more cows over here. More cows, more cows. Cowtown. We live in Cowtown. Kissimmee is Cowtown, and they spell it with a K. K-O-W-town. The Cowtown Festival is once a year. Is coming up. And so I was saying about the comments. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Contessa. Contessa's always commenting. Thank you so much, Contessa Luann. And Mickey Stein always comments. Thank you. The Hoovers always comment. Thank you so much, guys. Jennifer and Brian Hoover. Brian Whitney, of course, like I said, it's Brian Whitney's birthday today. Brian Whitney always comments. Thank you, guys. I appreciate the comments. I get I got some new comments today from people that I just met. Oh, Josh is in town. I met Josh like four years ago or so on a live stream at Magic Kingdom. He just left me a comment, I think yesterday, that he's in town. He said he hopes he runs into me. So hello, Josh, if you're out there. Thank you. I think his YouTube account is Josh the Loyalist Reaction Channel. Thank you so much, Josh. Oh man, it's a beautiful night. I hope the weather feels nice when I go outside. I didn't bring my jacket. It didn't feel cold today. I've been out a few times, and it's been on the road today, and it's been pretty warm. I think our high was somewhere around 83 or 85, somewhere around there. And now it was down to 80 before I started the blog. We're about to enter Walt Disney World. I see the gates approaching. A lot of people slow down out here because they're trying to get a nice picture. So yeah, I did that the video I'm talking about where I was correcting the numbers is the video I did on Out on the Woo's celebration day, which was March 8th. You see that? That happens every time I go by here. People cross over. The ones that are on this side are always crossing over. And sometimes you have both. Somebody in front of me crossing that way, the other one crossing this way. They always go over that little corner there, the little fork in the road. All right, we're heading to Epcot, so we're gonna turn right pretty soon. Sometimes when I'm coming close to this ramp over here, heading to Epcot, a really cool bus will pop up, but no, I don't see any buses right now. I gotta turn here before it gets too late. There we go. Yeah, it's tricky here when you're not familiar with this area. That's what happens. A lot of people don't know when to turn or where they're going, and they all of a sudden they're right there because a lot of people are driving fast. All of a sudden they're there, and it's time to cross over. This one ends. I gotta move over. See a Minnie Mouse bus in the distance. This is another spot where I like to catch the buses coming down the ramp. It doesn't always happen, but sometimes one will pop up right now. It'll be like right there in front of me. Oh man, no luck. And there's no time here. Look at that. That's so short here, and there's a car right here. I had like no time, man. And they never stop for you, man. I mean, or slow down. They never slow down for you. You gotta be so careful here. Be very careful when you drive in the Disney area, guys. Very careful. People cutting you off all the time. That's Buena Vista Boulevard right there. Not going that way. Oh man, they paved the road. They just paved this road. They've been working on it for a little while now. And look, it's all paved. It's nice. It's smooth. Already it looks a little dirty. The white lines look a little dirty already. But yeah, it's freshly paved, so it feels really smooth. This is another ramp that I love, catching the buses coming down this ramp here, but I don't see anybody coming down the ramp. Man, this will be so cool if it looks awesome for, you know, for the blog, having the, for the driving blogs. Now, I was thinking of having the camera like, kind of like low like this, maybe like that. But right now I don't have a good holder for this camera, so I'm holding it with my hand. So I can go like this if I want to. You know, on this side. I can go higher up. Slow down here. And got a curve here. That'd be nice if the monorail crosses right now. We're gonna go right under the bridge. I mean the monorail beam. That would be so awesome if it passes right now. Oh man, it's coming, but I'm too early. It's coming. Oh man. I beat it. I can't slow down any more than that in case a car comes behind me. Oh man. Oh well. He's not even there yet. He's about to turn the corner. Wow, that would have been so awesome. I filmed it like twice before, I think. I know I saved at least one of those. Hey, there's a Donald Duck bus. I love seeing the buses. He's gonna cross all the way to the right so he can get in. I gotta stay on the left of the bus, right over here. We'll be right next to him. There's Donald. That's cool. Oh, this one's closed. They put a cone there. I was looking at the bus. I didn't see that cone. I did not see that cone. What a cone head. I'm looking at the bus, man. Not good, not good. That's not good driving, kids. That's not good driving. Keep your eyes on the road, your hand upon the wheel. What's going on here? All right, all right. Wow, it's full to the back. What? It must be a good concert today or the Broadway show or something. Wow, it looks packed. The parking lot is full. My God. That's incredible. At this time of night? Wow. I wonder if we were having Really, really nice weather that people, I don't know. Oh, I'm really surprised. Wow, look at all the cars here, man. That's incredible. Hopefully some of the people that got here early already left, and I'll be able to park where some of the people that left early left a space for me. Go ahead. Little baby. He's got the Mickey Mouse hockey jersey on. I got the football jersey at home. Last year's. It's already a year, right? Oh my God, yeah, I think it was already... Was it a year ago? Oh my God, the blue one. Yeah, I believe so. I think I got it at the end of 2024. No, at the end of, 2024. Wow, man. All right. Let's hope for a nice parking lot. I mean, not parking lot, parking spot. There goes the monorail behind me. There's one space that just opened up. Wow, this is pretty packed. There's one leaving right there. I'm hoping to catch one over here in this area. Oh yeah, man. This is good right here. This is good. This is really good. This is a good spot. All right. This is different. Holding the camera is a little different. Let me straighten out the car. All right, guys. We'll see how this turns out. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. for the next one.